Hey there, fellow food lovers! Today I'm super excited to share my absolute favorite meatball recipe with you. Trust me, once you try these juicy, flavorful meatballs, you'll never go back to store-bought ones again. Let me walk you through my secret recipe that's been perfected over years of Sunday family dinners. First, we're going to mix ground beef and ground pork. This combination is key for the perfect texture and flavor. For every pound of meat, you'll want about 1 or 3 cups of breadcrumbs, 1 beaten egg, and finely diced onion. Here's where the magic happens. Instead of just adding salt and pepper, we're going to throw in some minced garlic, fresh parsley, grated Parmesan cheese, and a splash of milk. The milk might sound strange, but it keeps the meatballs incredibly tender. Now, here's a game-changing tip that most people miss. Don't overwork the meat mixture. Use your hands to gently combine everything. Think of it like carefully folding rather than squeezing. Overworking the meat will make your meatballs tough and dense. When you're forming the meatballs, keep a bowl of cold water nearby to wet your hands. This prevents the meat from sticking and helps you form perfect spheres. Aim for meatballs about the size of a golf ball for even cooking. For cooking, you've got options. My favorite method is to brown them in a pan first. This creates an amazing crust. Then finish them in your favorite sauce. But if you're short on time, you can bake them at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. Here's another pro tip. Make a double batch and freeze half. They freeze beautifully for up to 3 months, making them perfect for those busy weeknight dinners when you need something delicious but don't have time to cook from scratch. Remember, the key to legendary meatballs isn't just in the ingredients, it's in the love and patience you put into making them. Take your time, enjoy the process, and watch as these become your family's new favorite meal. Happy cooking, everyone!